Hello, this is Chrystelle. Most women love high heels, but it's not that easy to walk in high heels. And the higher the heel, the harder it is. In today's video, I'm going to give you some tips and show you how to walk properly in high heels and with confidence. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. I upload videos regularly about fashion and style. High heels are so chic and feminine. I'll always remember when growing up in Paris when I was a little girl, hearing my mom in high heels when she was home. She was so chic and fancy, I loved it. She inspired me from the beginning. It's one of the most important factors in fashion if you want to look stylish and glamorous. But unfortunately, if done the wrong way, it can look terrible. And on top of it, you can hurt yourself. So let's start. First of all, pick a pair of your shoes that you are very comfortable in, like tennis shoes, sandals, flat shoes, and watch yourself walking in those. That's what we're going for with high heels, being able to walk comfortably in them. So you want to start with very low heels like these ones. Watch how I walk in them. Heel to toe, heel to toe. You never put your feet flat like this, nor the front of the shoe first. See how awkward it looks? It is always heel to toe. Practice with small heels until you feel very comfortable. Keep them on when you're hanging out in the house. And when you reach the point when you don't feel them anymore, that means you're ready to move on to the next heels. Okay, so the next one are wedges shoes. They are good for practicing because you still have a good balance with them. And you're going to do the same thing. Put them on and walk, walk, walk with your wedges all day long, heel to toe, heel to toe. And an important detail as well is the higher the heels, the smaller the steps. And don't forget, practice is the key. The more you practice, the easier it's gonna get. That's the only way you'll get it. And when you feel confident, you move to the next ones. High, chunky heels, just like these ones, or something similar. And you just keep going. Practice, practice, practice. It's the only way you look great in high heels. You need to take small steps to keep your balance. If you take big steps, it will look awkward and you may fall. I need to mention a very important point that I've noticed many women do. Is bending your knees when you walk on high heels. So this is very important that you pay attention when you walk with your high heels to straighten your knees each step. You take a step, you straighten your knee. Take a step, straighten your knee. Look, I show you an example of me bending my knees walking in high heels, and it's not the proper way. It shows others that you don't know how to walk with high heels properly. And the proper way is, of course, you're going to bend your knee when you take the step, and then you're going to straighten your knee. There you go. So don't forget, with each step, straighten your knee. And now those stilettos. Not the highest, but already pretty high. And practice. Practice walking one foot in front of the other. Take a straight line and practice walking on it. Also practice on different floors, like concrete, wood floor, or tiles. Go walk in the park with your heels. Walk on the grass. It's tricky, but walk slowly and lightly so your heels don't enter in the grass. And now you're ready for the real deal. Stilettos, like these ones. Look at that, it looks so beautiful and feminine when you can walk in high heels. It makes you look taller as well. Et voila, we're done for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys got good advices on how to walk in high heels. And please let me know how it goes. Leave me comments. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Only each time you take a step.